Alright, this is my bike check. Here we go. This is my DK Helio frame. Got my red Stollen grips. You know, pretty good. Got my red Shadow Conspiracy Strike stem. I like it. Got my red Primo the Wall tires. Alienation plain black rims. Got my Odyssey twisted red PCT pedals. Pretty good. Got my red shadow chain on there. Oh, got my red E-clap seat. Got some nice DK hubs. Got my stock DK sprocket. Got my Fit Blade fork. Nah, I'm just kidding. Stock DK fork. Got some stock DK cranks. Got these fit valve caps. Pretty nice. Pretty good. Making my bike look stylish. Got these awesome brake mounts. I just put on there. You know, you always. Yeah. Got my stock DK handlebars. Pretty cute. And that's about it. Bye.